Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial. Today we are going to discuss about the Magento 2 directory structure. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel. And if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. Let's get started. So Magento 2 follows a modular architecture with a well-defined directory structure. Understanding this structure helps in the development, customization and the debugging. So here we have an app, bin, dev. Let's go and check. Here we have an app bin dev generated lib php server pub setup var vendor. So these are the structures. Okay, let's go in detail. Right, so here we have app bin dev generated lib pub setup var vendor says composer and the index. So what about the app? Core Magento app code custom modules. This is where the code logic of Magento resides, including modules, themes, and the configurations. If I go and check, you can see that we have everything like design, modules will come over, everything will go over here, right? So design, we have a theme, right? At admin html and the front end. Okay, so here we have, I'm not installing right now the theme, so we all the things will go over here. Okay, so we have the key subdirectories, that is code contains the custom and the third party modules. Example, app code vendor module. Custom modules live here, vendor module format. Design holds front end and the admin themes. Example, app design front end, vendor and the theme name. etc stores the global configuration files, and I18N used for the language translations. Bin command line script. So this folder contains Magento CLI commands used for setup, deployment, indexing, and the caching clear. So these are the commands. Dev developer tools for the testing contains the development related files such as testing suites, debugging tools, and the sample data. Generated auto-generated code. Magento 2 generates the code dependency injection factories and proxies at the runtime. Do not manually edit the files here. If needed, regenerate by running rmrf regenerated and run this command. This will generate this module, this folder. Lib Magento core library contains Magento framework files like Zen, Laminas, internal functions. Pub publicly accessible files, media, static. This one. So we have a key directories. Media stores images, uploaded content, and the product pictures. Static holds minified CSS, JavaScript, and the cache files. Index.php entry point for the Magento storefront. Okay. Then we have a setup, installation, and the upgrades will come over here. Used during the Magento installation and the updates. Var temporary storage and the logs. Var cache log session reports. So cache store the cache files. Log stores error debug logs. Var log, system log, exception log. Session stores the user session, and the report stores error reports. Now we have a vendor. Magento and the third party packages come over here. Contains Magento's code framework and the third party dependencies installed via Composer. So whenever you install a module via Composer, it will go over there. And whenever you create a new module by oneself, then you have to go with the app code, right? So do not modify files here. App use app code for the custom changes. Okay, so app custom modules theme configuration bin Magento CLI commands dev developer tools and the testing generated auto-generated classes factories and proxies. Lib Magento school library pub public assets images static files setup Magento's installation scripts where temporary data logs cache in the sessions vendor Magento core framework via composer. So these all are the Magento 2 architecture. Any doubt, any query, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.